Okay, let's start with our Razorpay account creation method and how can we create the testing keys without any full KYC document verification. Okay, let's start with the creation. First, visit the Razorpay.com website and click on sign up option. After that, enter your email ID, then click on get started. Set your password. You can choose your own password or you can just use the strong password suggested by the Google. Wait for few seconds. Okay, and now verify your OTP. Then click on finish. After that, enter your full name and your phone number. You will receive OTP on your number. Then click on send to phone. Now enter the OTP and click on submit OTP. After that, you can choose this one option, like for integrating API payouts. Wait for few seconds, and then without entering these details, just click on this option on the top left side. Go to home. Okay, click on it. Now everything is done. After that, just move to the option on developer controls, and from here you can generate your new API keys. Okay, just you have to click on generate keys and then you will have to enter the OTP and click on submit. The keys will be generated. Okay, thank you for watching the video.